Hello, my name is Aprilyn Soliman, and this is my presentation on gender and exercise. So the purpose of this study was to explore the differences in exercise practices between men and women. A total of 44 individuals chose to participate, 20 female and 24 male participants ranging from ages 25 to upwards of 74 years of age completed a series of 2 health and exercise surveys, one 10-question initial survey and one 5-question follow-up survey. A difference in 2 means t-test was used to compare if the average number of minutes of exercise per workout session were statistically different between males and females. I hypothesized that females exercise for a longer duration per workout session than males, mainly because in my immediate network, males tend to participate in high-intensity interval training more often, which are very intensive workouts in, say, 10 minutes or less, whereas females that I know generally participate in hour-long organized group fitness classes. Among females, 5 stated on average that they worked out 0 to 30 minutes per workout session. 12 indicated they exercised an average of 30 to 60 minutes per workout. 3 exercised 60 to 90 minutes, and none of the female participants worked out over 90 minutes per session. The following values were reported for females. The average amount of time in minutes females exercise per workout is 42. Median, 30 to 60 minutes, which can also be denoted as 45 minutes. Mode, 30 to 60, variance, 216, and standard deviation of 14.70. Whereas 2 of the males exercised 0 to 30 minutes, 10 worked out 30 to 60 minutes, 8 worked out 60 to 90 minutes, and 4 of the male participants worked out 90 to 120 minutes. Males worked out a mean of 62.5 minutes, median 30 to 60, mode 30 to 60, variance 697.83, and standard deviation 26.62. For this study, the null hypothesis would be that there is no difference in average number of minutes per workout session between males and females. Well, by utilizing a difference in 2 means t-test, results indicated that there was not statistically significant evidence at alpha equals 0.05 to show that females exercise for a longer duration per workout session than males. Therefore, I do not reject the null hypothesis. As far as limitations for the study, SurveyMonkey allows for only 10 maximum questions for the free service. With more questions, I could have rephrased some of the same questions to confirm previous answers for more accuracy. Additionally, the sample size for each subset was less than 30, and 84% of my sample size was between the ages of 25 to 34 years old. A larger sample with greater variability would have yielded more accurate results. So why is this information useful? Regular physical activity is one of the most important things one can do for his or her health. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, exercising can help control a person's weight, reduce risk of cardiovascular disease, reduce risk for type 2 diabetes, reduce risks of some cancers, strengthen bones and muscles, improve mental health and mood, improve ability to do daily activities and prevent falls in older adults, and increase one's chances of living longer. The CDC website recommends that an individual gets 150 minutes of moderate to intense aerobic activity every week, in addition to 2 or more days of muscle strengthening activities that work all major muscle groups, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity and 2 or more days of muscle strengthening activities per week. Therefore, this study can help individuals be more aware of their own overall exercise practices and identify what duration as well as types of exercises to consider for optimum health. Thank you.